theme here, which is job security.
I was about to say that, like, there is a sense of job security, and I feel like the boomers have not come out of the industrial revolution mindset where you used to work in the factory. Sense of loyalty towards your place of work to a point, like as if it's a military regime, and therefore you're doing like a large service. Therefore, वो जो करेंगे वो मालिक, वो जो बोले वो भगवान, that is gospel. I will live by that.
Correct. Agreed.
And the second thing is the integration of life into workspace, which evolved over a period of time. And unfortunately, certain boomers could not grasp that thing at all. Like these.
Almost all.
So, the point being that still considering anyone who prioritizes health, personal time, just so not being able to comprehend that if they are taking that time off would only make them work effectively as well as efficiently, ultimately, it is still not getting into their heads yet.
Do you think it's too late to address this with boomers? And I know that this is a problem with Gen X as well, because they've taken on from boomer mentality,
right,
and still live by the whole, oh, Annadata is giving jobs, so I will do whatever Annadata says. By Annadata, I mean whoever feeds your...
Yeah.
My answer to that will be, if boomers wish to stick around, then it's their prerogative whether they want to.
A boomer's priority is not to stick around. They're hitting the, like he said, they're hitting their retirement age. Now it is time to.
आधी उम्र तेरी जिंदगी में मजदूरी करते हुए निकल गई, जो भी बची कुछ है वो तो बेड पे निकाल,
कैश इन योर
क्योंकि इसके बाद सीधा मतलब वही है,
the silent generation, guys.
Because they will go silent eventually.
I think boomers would also wish to have this question answered. With Gen X is, why are we catering everything towards Gen Z?
Because they have to carry the torch forward.
Probably has been in the company for 30 years. Right? Their expectation is that the Gen Z employee who's talking about that also stays for 30 years. If you want the Gen Z to stay for 30 years, then it's a prerogative that it should move in the direction that would want the Gen Z to stay for 30 years.
Gen Z 3 साल कहीं काम कर ले,
Exactly.
Which, like, I mean, this is very random spitballing thought right now. It is, I think, the Gen Zs have learned to move with dynamism because there has been so much of change. However, that has not happened in at least the rate at which change has taken place was far slower. So keeping that in mind, they will expect us to also function in that slower, slightly more paced out fashion in which, we approach change. So behavioral change तो नहीं होने वाला है इतना जल्दी. With expectation रखना is our fault then. That the boomers will change. But
60-70 साल में तुम expect करोगे तो behavior बदल.
वही, that's what I'm saying.
I don't think we're expecting radical change. I think literally find middle ground. It's not very difficult.
For them, there is no concept called a middle.
Exactly.
I think it's
already highway. We are willing to walk the 10 paces to the middle ground, but is the opposite party willing to do that?
With them. So that is why the HRMC is for boomers, it's for Gen X, it's for millennials, it's for Gen Z, it's for Gen Alpha also. I'll bring my nephew to it, only if you register. So come, see us, chat with us, and see how boomer can become sector fresh leader.
भाई बूमर जब तक वो सीखेगा तब तक
सेंटर पे आएगा, वो सारा कार्तिक लेगा.
I am that part out, as amazing as this discussion was, because एक तो I don't know why boomer became center. Secondly, it's not HRMC, it's culture of the clash.